both sides by cosine x. So I have 5 tangent x equals -1, tangent x equals -1/5. I have no idea what that is. I have to use the inverse function to find this. But tangent, so we are looking from negative pi, from negative pi to positive pi, 0 to pi, negative pi. So it's a full rotation, so from negative pi to positive pi. So tangent is negative here and here. So there are two x-intercepts, one in the second quadrant and one in the fourth. So let's find arctangent of -0.2, and I'm just thinking for a second, -0.2, should it be, where should it be, how high? I'm just thinking for a second. Okay, so I want to change this for a second, because I can change it myself, but I just want to verify one thing here. Okay, so -11. -11 degrees. Okay. Okay. So the first, so tangent -1/5 in the second quadrant. It will be pi minus, so this is pi minus I want to verify one more thing here, because this is not a number that we know. I wanted arctangent again of 0.2. I want to see the positive value. Where is the positive value? Yeah, okay, so that's what that will be 11. I need to know where to put it in, because I have negative pi, I have negative pi over 2, and I have pi over 2. Okay. So from negative pi to pi. So this is an angle in the second quadrant, and it's 11 degrees. Its reference angle is 11. So it will be close to pi. So this number is going to be here. So the positive value. So point 0.2. I'm going to consider that 0.2 here. So x 0.2, -1.5. So there must be a 0. So this is the 0 here. Okay. And I also need, although 0.2, oh yeah, it's not 0.2, it's a number close to pi. Okay, pi minus 0.2. Okay, so that's what this is. Pi minus 0.2 when the function is 0. That's what it is with these functions. Is just notice I haven't even gotten to this first derivative yet. Okay, now the other 0 is close to 0. Yes, okay, so this is a negative 0.2 indeed, and there is a 0 here. Okay, this was only for the function. So now, sorry, but I'm running out of time. So the first derivative, this is 5 cosine x minus sine x. And when I set it equal to 0, I will have the same thing. I will have tangent x equals 5. Okay. So now I have to go to find the critical numbers with arctangent 5. Okay. So they have to be two angles, one in the first and one in the third. So this is in radians, 1.4 roughly. Okay. Where is my 1.4? 1.4 has to be pi minus 0.2, so 1.4. Okay, the other solution. So the unit circle, I'll have to stop. I'm so sorry. These functions require a lot of work. Okay, so who was that? Was it Dylan or Dixon? Dixon, would you like to finish this with me after class? Because it's going to take a while.
That's fine.
Okay, so I need here and here. So I have a solution already in the first quadrant, and then a solution in the third